Good morning, everyone. My name is John D.B. Cueto, grade 12 Merrimack. Today, I will be discussing an issue that is affecting our planet and our future. Global warming. Global warming refers to the gradual increase in Earth's temperature due to the human activities, mainly the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. This leads to the climate change causing extreme weather, rising sea levels, and environmental damage. The effects of global warming can be seen all around us. Stronger storms, frequent droughts, wildfires, and melting ice caps. It is not just an environmental issue but also a serious threat to the humans, animals, and plants. Global warming is a global issue, but if we take action now, we can reduce its impact and help create a better future. Let's dive deeper into the topic and understand why we must act now. Global warming is the gradual increase in Earth's average temperature due to the human activities, mainly the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These activities release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, trapping heat from the sun. This trapped heat leads to the rising temperatures, melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and more extreme weather conditions like hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. Global warming is caused by both natural and human activities. But human activities have significantly accelerated the process. Causes of global warming: volcanic eruptions, burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, cutting down trees, waste and landfills, transportation, vehicles and airlines, overuse of electricity and energy consumption, overpopulation, volcanic eruptions. This warming leads to the climate changes, including melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events like hurricane and drought. Effects of global warming: rising temperatures, increased heat waves and higher global temperatures, melting ice caps of rising sea levels, coastal flooding and habitat loss, extreme weather events, more hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires, biodiversity loss. Many species struggle to survive in a changing climates. Health impacts: heat stress, respiratory diseases, and food shortages. Effects on humans: health problems. Hotter temperatures can cause heat strokes, breathing problems, and make diseases spread faster. Mosquitoes and other insects that carry diseases like malaria, dengue thrive in warmer weather, increasing health risk. Food and water shortages. Droughts and unpredictable rainfall make it harder to grow food. leading to the shortages and higher price. Less rainfall also means less drinking water, affecting people and animals. More natural disaster. Global warming leads to stronger storms, floods, and wildfires, destroying homes and cities. Rising sea levels also cause coastal areas to flood, forcing people to leave their homes. Economic problems. Farming, fishing, and tourism suffer because of changing weather. Crops fail, fish population decrease. And tourist spots like beaches and coral reefs are damaged, leading to job losses and economic struggles. Effects of global warming on animals. Loss of homes. Melting ice, deforestation, and wildfire destroy the places where animals live. Polar bears lose ice to hunt on, and forest fires wipe out homes for animals like koalas and birds. Struggle to survive. Many animals cannot adapt too fast, changing weather, leading to the extinction of species. Coral reefs, which are home to many sea creatures, are dying because of rising ocean temperatures. Food shortages. Some animals can find enough food due to changes in weather and their environment. This affects the entire food chain, causing bigger problems for the predator and prey alike. Changing behavior. Animals are moving to colder places, which can disturb the balance of nature. Birds and other animals may also change their breeding and migration patterns, making it harder for them to survive. Effects of global warming on plants. Growing problems. Changes in temperature and rainfall make it hard for plants to grow properly. Some plants bloom too early or too late, affecting the animals and people who rely on them. More pests and diseases. Warmer weather helps pests and plant diseases spread, harming crops and forests. This can lead to food shortages and higher price. Loss of plant life. Many plants can survive extreme heat or drought, leading to fewer forests and green areas. This affects the air we breathe and animals that depend on plants for food and shelter. Farming problems. Farmers struggle to grow crops because of dry soil, heat, and unpredictable weather. This leads to the less food, higher costs, and economic problems for communities. How to prevent global warming? Use less fossil fuels. Instead of using coal, oil, and gas, we should use clean energy like sunlight and wind. Save energy. Use appliances that don't waste electricity and turn off lights and electronics when not needed. Plant more trees. Trees take in a carbon dioxide, which helps clean the air and reduce pollution. Eco-friendly travel. Walk or ride a bicycle or take buses and trains instead of driving cars that use a lot of fuel. Manage waste wisely. Reuse things, recycle materials, and avoid throwing away too much trash to reduce pollution. Work together globally. Countries should agree on rules to fight climate change, like the Paris Agreement to keep the planet safe. Reminder, remember saving our Earth and preventing global warming requires both individual and collective efforts. Remember to plant trees and protect forests, as they absorb carbon dioxide and provide clean air. Reducing plastic use, recycling, and choosing eco-friendly products also help in protecting the environment. Most importantly, remember that every small action counts, and by making conscious choices every day, we can create a greener and healthier planet for future generations. In conclusion, global warming remains one of the most pressing challenges of our time. Its impacts are already being felt worldwide, from rising sea levels to extreme weather events. However, by taking collective action, reducing carbon emissions, embracing sustainable practices, and supporting climate initiatives, we can slow its progression and protect our planet for the future generations. The time to act is now, and every effort counts. That's all. Thank you for listening. Again, this is John Dave Cueto from Grade 12 Merrimack.